This is Chris, the animal painter. In this video, we're going to show you how we take and resolve an issue that we call a nail pop. And we've got a ceiling right here, and it's got a little bubble in it. And typically when you see a little bubble like that, what it is typically it's a nail working itself down through the actual drywall tape and texture. And it's a nail that's either missed a stud or it's a nail that's come loose and it's working its way out. So what we want to do is we're going to take and resolve that issue by removing the nail, driving in the screw if there's a stud there, spackling it, and retexturing it. And so I just start off this task, just scrape this area out where this nail pop is. I'm going to try to locate that nail. And I found that loose nail, and now I'm going to try to remove that nail. Going to take use a pair of needle nose. And there's our loose drywall nail that's causing this little hole. You want to get a drywall screw, approximately 2 inches long. I got a drywall screw sitting there. Going to take some spackle. I'm using a Patch Plus Primer spackle from 3M. Just like that, I'm going to let that spackle dry. If the hole's big enough and you got a big enough flat spot, you want to take and spray it with some spray texture prior to painting it.